everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, let me show you how to deposit TON from a Telegram wallet to Binance. Start by opening the Telegram app and tapping Settings at the bottom. From the menu, select Wallet. Under the Asset section, tap TON Coin. Then tap the Send button. Choose External Wallet as a destination. Next, you'll need your TON address from Binance. Open the Binance app and tap the Wallets button at the bottom. Navigate to the Spot section and select Deposit. Search for TON coin, tap it, and then choose the appropriate network. Copy your TON address by tapping the copy icon. Return to the Telegram app and paste the copied address. Once the address is recognized, tap Continue. Enter the amount you wish to send, then tap Continue again. Now copy the memo from Binance, switch back to Binance app, find the TON memo, and copy it. Return to the Telegram wallet, paste the memo, and finalize the transaction by tapping Confirm or the Send button. Wait for the transaction to process, and once it's complete, your TON will be successfully deposited into your Binance account. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.